Good morning, student. You have completed your unit second, session number first, stress management and its techniques, and session number 2, ability to work independently. It is completed in your previous classes. Now we will start the unit third, information and communication technology skills. Okay, this is the session number first, operating system. Now we have to know that what is the operating system. You can see on it the first program that loads on a computer when you switch on the system is called the operating system. It is a program that acts as an interface between the software and computer hardware. Okay, when you switch on your system, you will see there a function is loading on your computer. This is known as the operating system, and this is the interface between the software and computer hardware. Okay, these are the some examples of the operating system. In the last line you can see it, Windows, Mac, Linux and DOS यानी कि DOS and Unix. Okay, in your exercise there will be second question, what is an operating system, and give a few examples. So the answer will be the first program that loads on a computer when you switch on the system is called the operating system. Okay, and the examples is given that Windows, Mac, Linux, DOS and Unix. Okay, your second question is complete in your exercise. Now we will see the functioning of an operating system. Okay, the functioning of an operating system is there: processor management, memory management, device management, file management. Okay, what is the processor management? An operating system manages the working of the processor by allocating various jobs to it. It's known as the processor management. Okay, what the work of processor management? It manages the working of the processor. Okay, what's the memory management? Memory management, an operating system manages the sharing of internal memory like as RAM, cache, etc. among multiple applications. So among multiple application manages the sharing of internal memory is known as the memory management. Okay, third point is there, device management. Now an operating system controls the working of all input and output devices. जो भी आपके input and output devices हैं, the controlling of that. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, then the second point is there, device management. Okay, तो इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस को कंट्रोल्स के लिए. ओके, फाइल मैनेजमेंट नोन एज द एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कीप्स ट्रैक ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग क्रिएशन, डिलीशन एंड ट्रांसफ़र, कॉपीज एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ फाइल इन एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे, यानी कि सिक्वेंशियल फॉर्म, यानी कि एंड अरेंज्ड फॉर्म. ओके, इन एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे. An operating system keeps track of information. Okay, this is known as the file management. Security will be there. The operating system provides various techniques which ensure the integrity and confidentiality of the user's data. Okay, this is the following points: protection against unauthorized access through login ID and password. So this is the first security point, login ID and password. Okay, प्रोटेक्ट करता है किससे? अनऑथराइज्ड एक्सेस से. प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन बाय कीपिंग द फायरवॉल एक्टिव. ओके, फायरवॉल को एक्टिव करता है. डिस्प्लेइंग मैसेजेस रिलेटेड टू द सिस्टम. वल्नरेबिलिटीज. ओके, एरर डिटेक्शन. व्हाट इज द नाउ विल शो द एरर डिटेक्शन. Sorry, this is the three part of security I have told you. And error detection, the operating system checks the system from time to time for any kind of external threats or malicious software program. Okay, activities is known as the error detection, यानी कि find the error and remove the error, check the error is also known as the error detection. Job scheduling, यानी कि distributing the work proper in a multitasking operating system where multiple programs run at a time, यानी कि multiple programs run at the time. तो the operating system determines, क्या करता है? Determines which application should run or not and in what order, और आपका जो order है किस में और कौन सा application run होना चाहिए. okay, तो this the work of the job scheduling in operating system. okay, now we will see the types of operating system. So there are several types of operating system. First आपका single user operating system, multi user operating system, multitasking operating system. GUI is the interface, not operating system. GUI user interface एक होता है आपका CUI यानी character user interface. It's contained included by the graphicals. Okay, What is the single user operating system? So these operating systems should support only one user. If support more than one user is known as the multiple user operating system. Okay, so multiple user operating system allows more than one user to use the same computer at the same time, is known as multiple user. If only one user to do one thing at a time, this is known as the single user operating system. And what is the multitasking operating system? This the first thing you have to see this graphical user interface यानी कि GUI. This is the answer number first, which is the question number first in your exercise. I will see you in the video. Answer number first. Then question, what is the question? Question है आपका what is the main advantages of GUI. तो एक टिक दिख रहा होगा आपको, तो यहाँ से देखिएगा ए यूज़र डज नॉट नीड टू रिमेंबर द लेंथी कमांड्स और देयर सिंटैक्स एज दे हैड टू डू इन कमांड द इंटरफेस. ओके, तो ये क्या है एडवांटेज ऑफ GUI यानी कि ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस. ओके, दिस विल बी आंसर नंबर फर्स्ट. What is the multi-user operating system? Multi-user operating system allows more than one user to use the same computer at the same time. Answer number third will be there, multitasking operating system. Okay, so question number third in your exercise is that what is the purpose of multitasking? The answer will be the ability to perform more than one task at a single instance of the time is called multitasking. Okay, so answer number third will be the ability to perform more than one task at a single instance of time is called multitasking. An operating system that is capable of doing multiple tasks or executing processes while using common processing resource like CPU is called a multitasking operating system. Okay, so this will be answer number third. Now we'll see the multi-threading operating system. These are the operating system that allows different parts of an application or program to run simultaneously. As example, you can see that if you host a game server on LAN, your friends will utilize the different parts of the same game by connecting with your machines at the same time. Then it will be known as multi-threading. Okay, what is the real-time operating system? So RTOS is designed to handle real-life scenarios and problems. Okay, such operating system have the capability to prioritize the processes, minimize execution time and work independently, is known as the real-time operating system. Distribution operating system, it distributes the job scheduling like as distributed operating system runs on computers which are located in different graphical areas. Okay, geographical areas. तो क्या करता है located in different geographical areas, interconnected through a network. Okay, it controls these interconnected system and makes them appear to be a single computer. किसमें appears to be a single computer. So distributing operating system is known as this. This is the Windows 7 screen. Okay, starting Windows 7. One thing, okay, in your exercise there will be first question of MCQs. The main screen of Windows is known as the, so there will be option is that known as the desktop. Okay, so when you switch on your computer, the Windows start automatically and display message, welcome message. It is following by the first screen of Windows known as desktop. It contains some graphics symbols called icons. जो भी symbols होते हैं क्या बोले जाते हैं icons के. Windows 7, what is Windows 7? A Microsoft Windows is a series of graphical user interface यानी कि GUI operating system which was developed, marketed and sold by Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft के थ्रू ये sold, developed and marketed की गई थी. Okay, now we'll see the desktop. What is desktop? The word desktop has been derived from the real life desktop, the top of or working table where you may find a pen stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. ये काफ़ी चीज़ें आप देखने को मिलती हैं आपको डेस्कटॉप पे. The desktop of Windows also serves the same purpose. Okay, you can find the various icons like this shortcut icons या documents icons, disk drive icons, okay, on the desktop screen. What is the taskbar? Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the button of the desktop. Okay, one thing is that you will see in your exercise option question number 4. Okay, question number 4 in multiple choice question. The question will be start button is located on the, so this will be the answer. It has the start button on the extreme left side यानी कि the taskbar has the button start button on the extreme left side. Okay, the answer will be taskbar. Take taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, the middle section of the bar shows buttons with a label for each of the opened applications and allows us to quickly switch between them. Okay, where will be the notification area? The right side of the taskbar is known as the notification area. Okay, the show desktop button is present on the एक्सट्रीम राइट ऑन ऑफ द टेक्स्ट बार. मतलब जो सो डेस्कटॉप बटन है किधर होगी, ये राइट ऑफ द टेक्स्ट बार. नोटिफिकेशन एरिया विल बी देयर राइट साइड के. तो देन द एक्सरसाइज, दिस योर एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट आपका है द मेन स्क्रीन ऑफ विंडोज इज कॉल्ड. तो आंसर विल बी द ऑप्शन विल बी करेक्ट डेस्कटॉप. क्लियर. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज दैट विंडोज OS is based on which user interface? You have known that graphical. Okay, option V is correct, graphical. So graphical user interface supported of the OS. Okay, which of these question number third is there, which of these function is not performed by an operating system? I have told you the functioning of operating system like as the memory management, processor management, device management, file and security, error detection, job scheduling, but entering data is not there. Okay, you have seen entering data is not there, so this option will be right. Okay, कि this function is not performed, so entering data is not performed by an operating system. Question number 4, start button is located on the taskbar. Okay, start button is located on the taskbar because taskbar क्या है, taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desk type. Okay, उधर right side आपको क्या मिलता है, notification area. तो आंसर नंबर फर्स्ट जो आपका ये आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज़ द मेन एडवांटेज ऑफ GUI? आई विल शो यू. एंड व्हाट इज़ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? गिव ए फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी. एंड व्हाट इज़ द पर्पज ऑफ मल्टीटास्किंग? आई हैव डिफाइंड ऑलरेडी मल्टीटास्किंग. एंड राइट ए नोट ऑन द सिक्योरिटी मैनेजमेंट. तो पेज नंबर 77 सिक्योरिटी मैनेजमेंट at the starting of the videos you will find there security management, and note down in your fair copies, maintain your fair copy with the chapter operating system unit 2nd chapter number 1st. Okay, thank you.